my water. Who are you to stop me? I am Ohamiri, mother of the river, symbol of purity and justice. I am here to stop you. Now watch me do it. Do not test my patience. I can see you want to test my powers.
Adora,
I can see him.
Ezedike used to be a very responsible man with this kingdom. All that is history now.
He doesn't have anything. He drinks from down to dust. Sometimes the people selling palm wine will chase him away because they want to close.
Such a pity.
I don't pity him. I don't pity him. Someone that is very close to power should know how to use it well and not the other way around. He's so shameless.
Hey, Adora and Uchechi. Thank you, Ochi, that you meet me here today.
As what?
Hey! Thank you, Ochi. You run into me. Adora! Adora! Tell your father. Once you get home, tell your father not to go for tomorrow's palm wine tapping. His rope will cut. He will fall, and he will never survive the fall.
God forbid.
Hey, listen to me. I got to Tugiri, Makefaneze. How are you? Uchechi. As for you, Uchechi, tell your own father that his brother will give him poisoned food. He will eat and he will die.
May the gods forbid.
Hey.
That's a lie.
I
mean, that's a lie. My uncle will never do such a thing to his brother. Those two love each other so much.
You talk too much.
There's nothing that can come between them, not even their wives.
Why are you explaining yourself to this man? Let's go.
It will not work for you.
It will not work for you.
You're going to fall into a pit. I want an auntie and no. I believe an auntie I will not more. Hi!
Stupid deity! Look at you! Nonsense! Finish! What? Stop! Give me this! What is it? What do you think you're doing? What do you think I'm doing? Are you blind? You said today I'm going to destroy this useless good for nothing deity.
What made this shrine good for nothing?
Can't you see? Can't you see? If this nonsense mean well for us, will Father be a drunk? Eh?
Olama, how did you come to conclusion that this shrine is responsible for our father's predicament? How? Cherekuli, wait. Did you take permission from father before trying to desecrate the shrine? Did you?
So you expect me to take permission from anybody before doing the right thing? I will never do such a thing.
Look, Olama, I don't know who is advising you. See, before it becomes a prayer point, I will not advise you again. Leave this shrine immediately. Leave it.
I will not do it. I will destroy it. Nothing is happening. And you are looking at me. You idiot. Useless date.
Manuku, there is something that has been bothering me, and I would love to share it with you.
Come and sit down. My daughter, talk to me. What is it?
Whenever I'm alone, I hear sounds of water, like a flowing river. Sometimes, it sounds like a drop of rain. And when I look around or go outside my hut, I do not see anything. Do you know what it means?
Wow. Maybe, I think it's a gift from the gods. To know when it's about to rain.
Mama Nuku, even after hearing it, it takes days before it rains.
Like I said, it is a gift from the gods for seeing future rain.
I'm not convinced. I think there is more to it.
It is not something you should be worried about. Relax. Okay? Let's hurry up so we can go.
Okay.
Go and go.
He said it. Ezeani said it. Oh, he told me that our father would die out of my stupidity. Oh, Osita, out of my stupidity. Oh,
Adora. Listen, we need to be very strong. It has already happened. And we cannot do anything to change it. Calm yourself.
Namo, Ezeani wants me. Oh, he wants me. Osita, what am I going to do now?
Uchechi!
Yes, Father.
My brother Nande gave me bushmeat. If I gave us bushmeat, cut some parts and serve me with palm and then use the remaining one to cook. Okay?
Tell your own father. His brother gave him poisoned food. He will eat and he will die.
Uchechi, what is the meaning of this nonsense?
I'm sorry, Father, but I cannot let you eat poisoned food.
Poisoned food?
Yes.
How can my own brother Nande poison me? What are you talking about?
Father, Uncle Nnamdi has eyes for your farmland, and he can do anything to get it.
I don't understand you, Uchechi. Nande has a big farmland. Why would he want mine? Now listen. Do you know that accusing somebody without having a proof, do you know it's an offense? And let me tell you, don't even allow your uncle hear this. What is wrong with you?
Father, I'm sorry, but that's the truth. Ezedike told I and Adora a few days ago about the calamity that is going to befall us. But Adora took him for granted. Just yesterday morning, her father fell from the palm tree and lost his life. Just exactly the way he said it. Father, I cannot take chances with you. Mother is no more. I can't allow you join her so soon and leave me all alone to suffer in this community. I can't do that. Henceforth, no more eating or drinking with Uncle Nnamdi. Please, Father.
Is it possible? Ezedike.
Nemiri, mother of the river, what do I owe this visit?
It is time to tell Hamiri where she comes from, so she can start operating in the powers that is being deposited in her.
Goddess of the river.
Grandmother, it's about to rain.
It is not going to rain, sit.
No, it is going to rain. I heard it clearly this time. It is going to rain.
Listen, look at me. I said it is not going to rain. Do you know the meaning of your name?
No.
Your name means Goddess of the River.
Goddess of the river?
Yes.
Why did my mother call me that?
It is because of the circumstances surrounding your birth. Your mother was married for years without a child. Yes. So her husband people threatened to throw her out because she could not give them a son. One day she left the house after having a quarrel with her husband.
Adanne. Adanne.
Adanne.
Mother.
Adanne, have you been crying?
Mother, do I have any other thing to do than cry?
Adanne, I have told you to stop doing this to yourself. At the right time, the gods must bless you with a child.
When is the right time? Is it when I am old and feeble? Mother, they should bless me now.
Stop crying. They will bless you. Oh? Why don't you go in and wash your face? We'll talk about it. Yes.
Okay, Mother.
Repeat. It's okay. What is it? Why did you stop?
Mother, I have to do something. Oh, Mother of the river, look upon your daughter with mercy and kindness, and bless my womb just as you bless others. Do not turn your face against me. Please, I plead for you to give me a child.
When we returned from the farm, your father had already sent a message to your mother to return home. The goddess blessed your mother with a child, and that child is you.
So that explains why I keep hearing sounds of river, like a flowing water. Yes.
Olama! Father! Father! What are you doing? Do you want the gods to strike you? Father!
This strike. I know even that have mouth. Do you have mouth?
What is the problem?
Do you have mouth?
Your daughter. Look at what your daughter is doing! Hi!
What have you done?
Father, you are...
What have you done?
Father, you have just seen that the woman is about desecrating your shrine. You are still asking what have she done? She wants to desecrate the shrine.
She doesn't have her senses anymore. Nemeka, your sister here is no longer the Olama you used to know. She is operating under the influence of an external force, a strange force.
Father.
Hey, listen to me. The gods have afflicted her. She is not herself anymore.
Huh?
The gods have placed a curse upon her.
A curse? How? But I stopped her before she could even do anything.
Too late. Too late! Every sacred altar anywhere on this earth plane has an authority. Authority that bridges the gap between the gods and the mortal. Authority that permits the messenger to see into the unseen, know the unknown. And I am the only authority permitted by the gods to communicate with the gods. The seen and unseen, the known and unknown.
Father, what are you...
Listen. The only authority permitted to function beyond the human ability.
Father, listen to me.
Every other one comes through me.
Father,
every other one comes through me. Nemeka, every other one comes through me.
Father,
but your sister here has broken the order. Your sister has violated, has incurred the wrath of the gods by attempting to desecrate the shrine of the gods.
Father, are you saying that nothing can be done? Are you not the chief priest of this shrine?
Nothing can be done. Nothing!
Do something! Do something! Do something!
When the gods decide to talk, when the gods are ready to speak, then we will have solution. When the gods decide to speak, we will have solution.
They don't have
Olama,
come this way.
listen, you can never be my prayer point. Whatever you do, eyes on your head.
Hunger will kill you. Think this man enough. That is West.
I am from the river. How am I sure grandmother is not making up all these stories just to kill my curiosity? No.
Do not be afraid of Ambiri.
How did you know my name?
I know. Because you are me and I am you.
You are me? I really do not understand.
You came from me. You are my daughter. The one who will succeed me after my reign.
That is impossible. I am human, but you are spirit. How can I survive underwater?
Ignorance, they say, is a disease. You do not know your abilities because you have not been brought to the consciousness of its existence.
So what you are trying to say is, I can go into the river and I won't get drowned, even without knowing how to swim?
Yes. Come! Let me show you how beautiful your home is. Come! What is wrong with you? Are you sick? Why would you bring yourself too low to sleep with Uchechi? What is wrong with you? Why would you do such a thing? Uchechi, talk to me!
A stupid, shameless maiden that slept with a man for a common bed.
Can you both just stop it? Stop it for once!
And if I do not, what will you do? Tell me! You even have the guts. Do you know if I were you, I would have hidden my face in shame till today.
Or just run away. Run away and never return again. You even have the guts to pin your pregnancy to Tobe.
Why? The funny thing is that that fool is even fighting for her.
Adora, I thought you were my friend. How can you stoop so low to believe the lies cooked up by your Lama about me?
Shut up. Are you talking about believing you? When Tobe saw you coming out of the bush with Oko,
Is there any other thing to believe there?
Stop it, both of you! Just stop it already! I went to show him my father's palm tree! I did not do anything with Oko.
You are a very big liar. Just get out from my sight!
Why? Why should I? This road does not belong to your father. So why should I leave?
Because you had so much. Be it. Come on, be it.
Trust me.
Mortals! Always noisy and disoriented.
When are you coming to see my parents? Before they...
Before the what? Who doesn't know that we are seeing each other? Listen, they should not even dream about marrying you off to another man.
Toby, you are quite aware that I'm a very beautiful lady in this kingdom. Every man in this kingdom would want me for themselves. So, the earlier you come to see my parents, the better for you.
My love, indeed, you're beautiful. And you're elegant. And I, your man, standing right here in front of you. Just take a good look at me. As you can see. I am the DK. Tall. Fair. You know, strong. With muscles.
Emphasis on strong.
Yeah. All the maidens in this kingdom, they are craving to have me.
They should not try it. They should not try it.
Don't worry. I have you, you know. I cannot joke with you for even 1 second.
I know.
You are the only maiden meant for me. I cannot trade you for anything. I love you so much.
I love you too, so... You're coming to see my parents, right?
Yes. All I just need is time. Then I will come and see your people and do the needful.
Okay, you better make it fast.
Yes, I know.
I can...
Tabe, she's lying to you.
Lying to him?
About what?
Exactly.
Tabe, she is pregnant for another man. And she wants to lure you to marry her. To cover her shame.
Mom, are you mad? Where is all of this coming from? What gave you the audacity to come here to ruin my relationship?
Is it true? Uchechi! Have you been sleeping with another man?
I am not sleeping with any other man in this kingdom. I am your lover. I do not have any reason to cheat on you. Oh, Mama is lying against me. It's obvious she does not like me. I'm not seeing any other man in this kingdom. Tobe, you have to believe me.
I remember. I saw you and Oko going into the bush the other day.
Tobe, Oko and I only went to check my father's...
Hey! Do I look like a fool to you?
Tobe, please, just listen.
Leave my hands!
Let me explain!
Ah! No!
Tobe, please, let me explain! Gross. To walk in here and cooked up lies against me in front of my man.
What do you want to do? You want to fight me?
Fight? I cannot fight you. I will not fight you. I will look for a size stick, your size of stick, and beat you like a child that you are. Fight you? I will not fight you, Alama. I cannot fight you. I'll beat you like a child that you are. You think you can come here and spoil my relationship? No!
Uncle, it's not you that can I know what he but yeah, every group was in Buche. I'm hearing. Talk to me, ancestors. Emeka! Wow.
Nam, can you stop drinking? I mean, what kind of stress is this? The time I will use to plant yam and seedlings in the farm is the time I am taking to drag you out from palm wine joint. Eh? It's becoming a prayer point too.
Go and sit down. You can pray for yourself, not for me and my palm wine. Listen to me. It is you who decided to worry yourself. Did I ask you to look after me? Did I ask you to come to my aid? Or did I seek your help? Listen. Emeka, I was busy communicating with my ancestors, receiving revelations from the gods, and you came interrupting.
What stupid revelation? And what stupid revelation were you receiving from the gods? See, I will just leave you here and go. Eh? What's this?
Emeka, atunya nunu obruna. If you throw a bird up, home it goes. If you throw the fish into the river, home it goes. If you leave me here, I am fine. I am fine. And I will remain fine.
Bilienu.
What am I here? Take it easy. Uncle. Let us go.
And be going. You have to stop this. You honestly have to
what? How can I stop what gives me joy?
You honestly have to stop it.
What gives me happiness, I want me to stop it. No, Emeka, and I'm not uncle.
How dare you? Because you think you are big, then you can insult me. Now stop yourself!
Please let me go.
Stop yourself!
Please let me go!
Stop yourself!
Please let me go now! Please let me go! Please let me go!
Stop yourself now!
Let me go! Let me go, please, Ola! Ola, let me go now! Ola, let me go! Ola, please let me go!
Stop yourself!
wrong with you? Why are you maltreating this maiden?
What is your problem? I was on my own. The God said I should come and deliver somebody.
Deliver somebody by maltreating her?
Where is she?
This maiden. Look at this maiden.
See your father.
This maiden.
Nam, I am tired. Like, I am tired of the whole thing. Look, just take a look at it. Look at all Amma.
Adanti. Why would she marry him, okay? But I see them maybe. You can go home. I'm fine.
Now.
I'm coming. I said I'm coming.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Miri. Adao. No. Miri. Hey. What seems to have seen her, but know her whereabouts? Hey! Gods of our land.
Gods of our land, I brought you a sacrifice. Your mouthpiece is not here to communicate with you on my behalf. But I will do that myself. Accept my sacrifice with good faith. And also give me a sign to show that my granddaughter is still alive. Please.
She's alive.
Olama. So you are around. Where is your father?
My father is working at the palm wine joint.
So how did you know my granddaughter is still alive?
Because I am the mouthpiece of the gods. I am filling in for my father.
Child, it's a pity.
What are you doing? Shut up! What does he look like?
You shut up! What are you doing with this chicken? Chicken that they brought to the gods for sacrifice. Olama!
Which gods? Do they have mouths? Do they have mouths?
You have gone insane. Will you give me that chicken? Olama, give me this chicken.
What is? What is the problem? What is the problem? What is bringing quarrel between South and the oil. What is the problem? What is bringing the problem between the oil and the salt? No, na mana de soku. Oh, Adaku, the foster grandmother of the goddess of purity.
Ezedike, when will you ever be serious? When will you ever be sober? Think of your life. Think about your life. Huh? I am just coming from your house. I needed to consult the ghost to know if my granddaughter is still alive.
Adaku, your granddaughter is alive, hale and healthy. She has gone in search of her real self. She has gone in search of her real self. And she will be back. And when the right time comes, which is soon.
Ezedike, how do I know that it is the ghost that are talking through you and not palm wine that controls you?
Adaku, you don't clean the ear and the eye with the same thing. Don't play with my God, my calabash, and don't play with my palm wine. Onye bena nwa agwa aka n'ọdụ n'ọdị ndụ ma ọ nwụrụ anwụ. Onye akpara nwa agwa aka n'ọdụ.
Ogo! Come out here, you coward! Come out here! Leave me alone! Let me go!
What's more of this nonsense?
Let me go!
What's the meaning of this nonsense, Toby?
You have not seen anything yet. You planted your seed into my betrothed.
Which seed are you talking about?
You're asking me which seed? You don't know what you did to my maiden.
Who is that?
Uchechi.
Oh, Uchechi. I do not have anything to do with Uchechi. I do not have anything to do with her. I just went to check the palm trees her father wants to lease to me. Oh, I see that Olam has fed you with lies and has polluted your mind. I can see that you are very, very shameless and stupid. Very, very stupid. That's why you stalked me here.
I don't blame you. With the smile we're putting on that day, it does not seem right to me.
You must have a very stupid mindset to think that I live with Uchechi. Very, very stupid and shameless, Toby.
Watch your mouth.
What would you do?
Watch your mouth. Watch the thing you say to me. Stop there, Uchechi. Where do you think you are going to?
I have nowhere else to go. No one agrees to marry me. So I've decided to come so you can make me your wife.
Uchechi, you should not take my sister serious. No one believes her.
I am sorry, Nemeka, but everyone has taken her serious as it is now.
Uchechi, I'm so sorry about that. You see, I was actually cutting firewood when I saw you. So just give me time. Let me go finish up fast so that I can go with you to Toby and beg him for you.
Nemeka, this is so unfair. Everyone thinks I am pregnant. I did not do anything with Oko. I only went to show him my father's farmland. Why would your sister do something like this to me? What is my offense? Why would she spoil my relationship? What have I done to deserve this? Now Toby has rejected me. You have to marry me. That is the only option.
If no one believes you, I personally believe you. So, wait for me. I'm coming now so that we'll go and beg Toby, okay? Just give me.
Thank you.
I do not want to hear anything you have to say. Turn around and leave. Toby, can you calm down and listen to her? Pico. So she can fill my ears with lies. Listen, Nemeka. I am done with Uchechi. And that is final. Toby, you see, everything my sister told you was all lies. Lies! They are all allegations. Uchechi here is innocent. She is innocent of them. Please. But my eyes cannot lie to me.
Look, Tobe, I did not do anything with...
Naimeka, I am done!
Tobe, please. I am innocent. I did not do what Olama accused me of. Please. Just
leave here! Tobe. I said leave now! Leave here!
Please, Tobe.
Please, Tobe.
I did not want
I'm going to call the high court!
Please.
Stop it!
No, leave me, Nemeka, leave me.
Please stop it.
Let me die, Nemeka. What am I living for? There is nothing left for me again in this kingdom. Tobe has rejected me. What am I living for? Nothing. Let me kill myself.
Uchechi,
let me just die. Tobe, let me die.
Uchechi, listen to me. The gods have good plans for you. You have a whole life to live. The gods have plans for you. Please, do not do this. Listen, the gods have a plan for you. You have a whole life to live. I'm here. Please, don't hurt yourself. Pico.
Thank you.
Mad! Alama! So it has gotten to this point that you turned my father's goat into a yam! You think I didn't see you? I saw you! Turn this thing back! Give me my father's goat! Alama, give me my father's goat. Nemeka, tell your sister to give me my father's goat.
Alama, what am I hearing? Then you turned the goat into a yam! Alama!
Please. Nemeka, I'm not here for this. Just tell your sister to turn this yam into a goat. Tell her right now. Oh, you people are not doing anything. Do not worry. Let me go and gather the village youth and they will come and beat you. They will deal with you. Bet me. They will deal with you. Bet me.
Olama, you are becoming a very serious prayer point. You are becoming a prayer point.
I told you that the gods have given me all their power. I'm not the gods. I eat everything that belongs to the gods.
You want to bring this family, right? Don't worry.
I'm coming for you.
Hey! Come forward. So, you will not change. You will not change. I'm asking you.
Huh?
Listen. I know there is a story, a mystery behind this yam. Kai! How long will you continue in sin? Sinning against the gods, sinning against the land, sinning against our ancestors. How long?
Now I know that the gods are still with you. I don't care what people says or sees. Olama, so you thought no one saw you when you turned that goat into a tuber of yam?
And so, I can turn whatever I want to turn.
Olama!
When I told you that the gods are now with me, no longer with father, did you believe me?
Olama.
Shit.
Olama.
Are you...
Ta! Gods of our forefathers, gods of my land, grant me the wisdom to handle this child.
Nemeka, thank you very much for saving me that day. Honestly speaking, I really do not want to die. I just thought that was the best way to stop the embarrassment.
It is okay, Uchechi. I thank the gods for distracting me away from the farm. And also for their intervention, as my sister would have sent you to your early grave.
Olama. Well, I do not want to talk about her. I just thank the gods that there are still one sane person in the family.
I'm sorry. I hope you're okay.
Yes, I am. My father has bushmeat. Come, let's go to the hut. Let me serve you some.
Won't he be angry?
Angry? No, he will not. Let's go.
Are you sure?
Of course, I am.
Why did you not call me to help you?
I do not know where you went to. I searched for you everywhere.
Don't worry, grandmother. I am back to take very good care of you. Sit. Let me get a seat.
Ohamiri.
No! 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 No!
I went into your dream to wake you up.
Is this really you? Oh, welcome back. Where have you been? We searched for you everywhere, but we could not find you.
Nne, I went home. As you know, I am not of this realm. I only came back for 2 things.
You came back for 2 things? And what are those things?
To take care of you until you join your ancestors. And also, to restore order to the village. For someone has desecrated and disregarded an authority, and she has been cursed. And that curse is going to cause doom in the coming days.
I do not understand. What are you talking about?
Mother, don't worry. With time, you are going to understand. I made you food. Let's go inside.
Mother of the river, I would have urinated on you. Yes,
Why have you allowed your seed to disrespect the gods of your fathers?
Mother of the river, enwesini ya kwa nwa ya n'azụ ya amọrọ oge o ji ọlụ ụtụ lacha. The monkey said that it was having its baby on its back, but that it was not aware when the baby plucked fruit and licked. Meaning I don't know the reason she did what she did.
You brought this upon yourself.
How did I bring this upon myself?
You were supposed to have only one child, which is Nna Emeka. Why did you break the order?
You know, one thing with nature. Actually, my late wife then was eager to have a female child. And, you know, as it goes, I had no option than to at least consider her play. And I listened to her and it happened. That is just, but don't be angry, Mother of the River. I never meant to break the order. That is the truth of the matter. It wasn't intentional. It just came.
You forgot. You are bonded by the covenants of your father's house. You allowed a woman lead you astray. Now you brought chaos upon the land.
No, It is not like that. Now what do we do? Forgive us for breaking the order? Try and guide us out of this. Guide us out of this.
Go and consult the gods.
Go and consult the gods. Okay, let me carry my bag. I will go.
This one is walking with his clear eyes. Whatever is chasing him must be a very serious prayer point. What is it? Your body is hot. What happened?
I'm sick. All my body is paining me. I feel a fire burning inside me.
Fire?
Yes.
What did you do yesterday that is making you feel sick?
Nothing much. I just took some men to Ezedike's compound in search of our father's goods.
You did what? Adora, you did what? Adora, how many times have I warned you to stay clear from that family? They are evil.
I couldn't allow Olama to get away with our father's goods.
This same goat again. I told you to forget everything about this goat. Adora, I have warned you countless times to stay clear from that family.
Biko, Nwanim, what I want you to do for me right now is take me to Ezedike's compound. Let him hear me, please.
Okay. I will take you to him. Better still, I will go fetch him. Eh?
No. Please, don't go. Stay with me, please. Don't leave me alone.
I will just take you inside. You will sit. I will rush to his hut to bring him. Yes, I think it is better that way. Let us go in.
Okay.
Easy, eh? Try. But you have to be very careful with them. I've told you, their family is very, very ill.
I've learnt my lesson.
Ezedike! Nnameka! Anna! Ezedike! Talk to somebody to answer me. Nnameka! Ezedike!
Onye metere nwa nọ n'ụra mgbe agụ ji abịa agba n'ọsọ. Onye metere nwa agụ nọ n'ụra agụpụta agba n'ọsọ. I'm coming. Agụmelu ụlọ. If the heavens, the sky decide to change position, then the earth plane must adjust. The earth plane must be adjusted for a balance. This is my doorstep.
What she said.
Why is he sleeping here?
I don't know.
Please, let's just go. Let's go.
Okay, I'm talking to you. Eh, Nemeka?
What's it up?
Yes?
What is it?
Why are you shouting my name? Am I your mate?
Nemeka, I do not care if you are my mate or not. I do not care if you are my junior or my ancestors. Nemeka, where is your father? You should better go to my hut and undo whatever your sister must have done to my sister, Nemeka. What are you talking about? As I'm talking to you right now, my sister is lying sick in the hut. And when I asked her, she said it all started when she picked up a fight with your sister, Nemeka. Eh?
Osita, calm down. This is not a matter of shouting or vibrating. You see, at this point, we need to go and look for my father. Just pray he is not drunk this time. And you'll get solution to your problem.
Nemeka, let me tell you. There is no long sermon in evening gathering. You people should not dare me. You people should not dare me. Let us go and look for your father wherever he is. Go. No. Some more. Olamma. All again. Let us go.
Hola! Bill.
You? And who are you to stand on my way? I am Ohamiri, mother of the river, epitome of justice and purity. My mission here is to stop you. Never! She is my prayer and I will fix on it. Olama, I know you're suffering as a result of your father's disobedience. But I won't sit and watch you burn down this village with your dark spirits. Never! Now watch me do it.
Tell me, you didn't come with anything. What are you supposed to do now?
I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I don't know.
What do you mean by you don't know what you're supposed to do? See, Nemeka, let me tell you, if anything happens to my sister, I swear by the gods, I will never forgive you and your entire family. What are you talking about?
It hasn't gotten to that. You see, before it becomes a prayer point, let's just go. The gods will take control. The gods will handle it their way.
Is it?
Yes, let's just go.
We should just go.
Yes.
Are you aware that we are talking about human life? We should just go. The gods will...
Is it? Nemeka, sister. Now, while staying with my father, there are some herbs he normally cuts in the bush. I will go and get that herbs. And I believe the gods will take control from there.
Chirekwa, wait. Are you trying to tell me that you want to do trial and error with my sister's body?
For what?
For what? Nemeka, you...
Oh, sister, can you calm down? Let's go. Let's go.
See, I am just believing because I don't know what... Better be sure, Nemeka.
Is she dead? Did you kill her?
No! But she will be soon. If your father does not do the needful. Osita, take your sister to the river. Let her bathe in the river. She will be fine.
nsobubiwa. Ebo bụ na ọ pụtara ihe ike na-eme. Ebo bụ na ọ gara katakata na-adị. She cannot control it. Her fate will decide it. There is nothing she can do to change her life.
What am I doing here?
What do you mean by what are you doing here? Where are you supposed to be?
I was on my way to Odara's house. I don't know what next. What happened?
On your way to Adora's house to do what? What were you going there to do? Is Adora your friend? Is she your sister? See, let me tell you. You have been on this shrine for 2 days. Are you not the one using their powers? Can't you ask them what happened to you?
2 days. Hope Adora did not beat me.
Nam. What's going on? What was the river goddess saying at Osita's house the other day we met her? That you need to do the needful. Pikono, Kwagodia, what is the needful that you need to do?
Nemeka. Obuhanozu nwuru ka anyị na-ebere, ọ bụ na onye jebi ngwuru ka anyị na-ebere okiti. Ọ bụ na ozu nwuru ka anyị na-ebere, ọ bụ na ozu nwuru ka anyị na-ebere okiti. Ọ bụ na ozu nwuru ka anyị na-ebere akwa. Ọ bụ ejebichi ngwuru. It is not doing the needful that is the problem. Neither is the problem knowing how to do the needful. But the problem is, what do I do? Because as I'm speaking, the gods are silent. The gods have refused to talk on this matter.
They do not have mouth to talk.
Olama!
Okay, you now. Nemeka, ask him or her. I don't know what is standing there. Ask him now. How are you?
See, don't bring me to this your stupidity.
Olama. Ola. I brought this upon myself.
Father. Don't say any other thing. I just want to listen to history now.
Nemeka, because I gave birth to Ola.
Nah, don't bring me into this your bad luck. Please, don't bring me into this your bad luck.
Keep quiet! Nemeka, I know you would love to hear this history. We come from the lineage of deity worshippers. And every child from our lineage is meant to give birth to one child. And that one child finally becomes the successor. I went as far as giving birth to 2. I lost control to my palm wine intake.
Obim, what is it?
Ezedike, it is either you get me pregnant or I leave this marriage.
Why do you want to get pregnant again? We already have Nemeka. Why do we need another child?
Dike, I need a female child. Biko.
But you know that is impossible. You know my family bears only one child. We are the only successor to the deity. Bearing another child will bring problem.
Ezedike, if you don't want to get me pregnant, I'll go out to another man. And you know what will happen? If I do, see, Obi, I met a strong Dibia. He gave me a charm and assured to me that if we follow his instruction, nothing will happen. Please, I need another child. Nnameka is already 5. Yes. I really desire to have another child. Biko, Obi, Biko, di mama.
The baby! Ezedike! Ah! The baby is coming, it's coming! Ah!
Hey!
Ezedike!
Let me first and call the midwife.
He's coming!
Easy,
the baby,
easy,
the baby!
Easy. Oh, easy. Easy. Money, just money. Let me go support you.
He's coming! He's coming!
I told Nancy Koro to give me more jars of palm wine, and he gave me only one. I've almost finished this one.
What do you want from us?
Calm down. Do you want to kill somebody?
Is it not his sister that wanted to kill me?
Adora, I am sorry. I was actually coming to your hut to apologize to you on behalf of my sisters and also know how you are faring.
To know how I'm faring? Thank you so much. As you can see, I am okay. I am fine. Thanks to the gods for saving my life.
I can see that. Osita, please, do you know where I can find the goddess of the river?
Nnameka, what did you just call her?
Goddess of the river.
Nnameka, where are we standing?
We are standing on the road.
Good. Okay. Take a view. Is there anything that looks like a river around here? Why are you stressing me, Nnameka?
Sita. I've had you.
Good.
Thank you.
Good. Guranya Guranya, you have had me. Look at his head like his father's son.
Can't you see? Please, my brother. Please stay away from these people. Stay away from their family. I don't want any trouble. I learned in the hard way. I don't want any trouble again. Please, stay away from them.
Thanks be to the gods that you have learned the hard way. Let's go to the farm.
are you yelling my name?
What are you doing on my father's farmland? Eh?
Which farmland are you talking about?
This particular farmland.
You have been taking your father's palm wine, right?
How dare you? Huh?
Let me tell you something. This farmland belongs to my father. And automatically, it belongs to me.
Tobe,
So you should be the one to live here.
I want you to live here right now.
Can you just hear yourself? What is wrong with you? Listen, even the heaven and the earth knows that this farmland belongs to me. And nothing you can do about it.
You just confirmed to me that you want to die.
Die? By who? You. You can't do nothing. What's making you laugh?
Instead of me to kill you, Tobe, I will teach you a lesson. Bend and act like a pig. Eat the whole grass. What is wrong with you?
Are you okay? What are you trying to do?
Come back here! Come back here! Olama, what is wrong with you?
Ola!
Foolish boy!
Ola!
I'll tell you to go to.
Whatever you cause in this land, you will carry it to your head!
Fool!
Whatever you cause, you will carry it to your head!
Instead that you follow me anywhere, I'll turn you to a goat! What is wrong with you?
Look, Nemeka, I know she's your sister, but she's a troublemaker. It's not my fault. Please, I'm tired. We need to go.
You see, I live with her. I know her more than you do. Eh? Kaiga.
Muchachi! Nemeka! So you're with this stupid girl?
Olama, or whatever you call yourself. I'm no longer scared of you. I'm no longer scared of you. I am not Adora. I know places to enter in this kingdom. So don't even try me.
So, are you threatening me?
I'm not threatening you. It's not a threat. I'm telling you the fact. I am stating the fact. What I can do to you. Yes, I won't let you spoil my relationship like you did the last time. It won't work. Let's go.
Ola, you are biting more than you can chew. You are biting more than you can chew.
Ebobu no putara, ihike neme. Ebobu no gara, kata kata nadi. She cannot control it. Her fate will decide it. There is nothing she can do.
Nemeka, why are you walking slowly? Come, let's go now.
What did you do back there? Did you actually have anything to show?
Are you talking of what I told your sister?
Why are you laughing?
Nemeka, you're very funny. Power. I don't have any power at all.
That's much.
I just summoned courage to do what I did. To threaten her. You did not see the way my mouth was shaking when I was saying those things to her. Come to think of it, didn't you see what she did to Adon? Or have you forgotten how she spoiled my reputation in this village and made me to almost want to kill myself? If someone does not stop her, she won't stop. So I'm there to put her in her place. If not, she won't stop. Your sister is very troublesome. So I have to do what I have to do.
I am suspecting that my sister is suffering from...
Suffering from what?
Never mind, let's go. Let's go.
Nemeka, are you sure your sister is not possessed by the deity in your father's house?
Yeah!
Because she was not like this before. She wasn't like this before.
Uchechi.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
How did you know?
Is it not your sister?
And so?
I'm just saying.
I am tired of the embarrassment you and Olama are causing in this village. If Olama is not stealing or causing havoc, you are sleeping by the wayside because of too much drink. What's all this nonsense?
I am trying, my son. Anuma kwanu. Anuma. I am trying, honestly I am trying. But each time I try, I discover I am not even trying to try. But I want to fight against this. All this you are complaining. I want to try and fight against them. But the more I try, the more I discover I am not even trying to try. The more hold on, let me talk to my son. The more I want to stop all this, the more I find myself in a palm wine drinking joint, having a good time with some fresh palm wine, enjoying the taste, the aroma, enjoying the peace of mind, the sweetness of the palm wine. Do you know that palm wine gives peace of the mind, peace? I keep enjoying it. What are you going to call it?
Ezedike, I am very ashamed of you.
Will you shut up?
I am ashamed.
Will you shut up?
Look at the way your son is talking to you. And all you can say is, yeah. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Father, you are not trying your best. You are not. You are not. You are just my prayer point now.
Get out. Ezedike, you have lost your honor. Ezedike has lost his honor.
I do not have anything to say.
Do you know you're beautiful?
You're not afraid of me?
Afraid? Why? Are you a masquerade? Wait, how can I be afraid? How can I be afraid of this beauty? You should know that I'm not afraid now.
Well, everybody in this village is afraid of me because they think I'm a troublemaker.
I'll call you a beautiful troublemaker. Even in this, you still radiate. You still radiate. My third leg. If you don't mind, can we go in and rub minds?
Can you carry me?
Yes, of course. My third leg can carry you. My third leg, it can carry you very well. Can you withstand my third leg?
Lead the way.
You're coming. Just put this on here. Let's run it. My dog leg is hurting. Here. Just here.
Are you sure you can carry?
If I can't, I won't be able to carry you.
Are you sure you can handle it?
Yes, I can.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it. I like it. I really like it. I like it.
Do you like it?
Yes. What's up?
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. I like it. What's happening? What's happening?
Come and help me! Dudley!
If you want to restore order to your father's house, then kill your sister. Kill your sister. Kill your sister. Kill your sister.
What is it?
What are you doing here?
What does it look like I'm doing?
Where is father?
At his usual spot, by wine joint.
Kill your sister. Kill your sister. Kill your sister.
Oko. 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 Hey! Oko. Hey! Orabiano! What's up, alarm, please? Oko. Oko. Hey, Orabiano! Oko. 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 Oko, biko. Oko, biko, 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 biko. Biko, biko, biko. Hey! Oko! Oko! Biko, piano!
It is becoming a prayer point between me and the gods. Father, I have something to discuss with you.
What do you have to discuss with me?
And I'm coming. had a dream.
You had a dream?
A strange dream.
A strange dream. And what did you see in the dream?
I didn't see anything. I only heard a voice.
A voice? Alright, what did the voice say?
It said I should kill your lamb to restore order in the land.
No. Don't listen to such voice. Don't ever listen to such voice. Because if you kill your blood sister, your sister's spirit will haunt you. And your mother's ghost will haunt you.
So what then should I do? Should I fold my hands and see my sister cause havoc? Keep causing havoc and you drinking and falling by the roadside every now and then. Is that what I should do? Father, things are getting out of hand. We need to do something. I need to do something.
Nemeka, this battle is not yours to fight. No. It is not for you to fight.
Father, it is already a prayer point. Gods of our land, why are you tormenting me? Why are you sending me on an errand I cannot go? You have all the chance in the world to kill her when she was in her mother's womb. You didn't. You just want me to stain my hand. I cannot do it. I cannot kill her. Please. Please, I cannot kill her. Please. Please. I am begging you. Stop. Stop tormenting me. Stop. It's too much for me.
You will not dare pollute my water. Who are you to stop me? I am Ohamiri, mother of the river, symbol of purity and justice. I am here to stop you. Now watch me do it. Do not test my patience. I can see you want to test my powers.
Bam, 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 bam. Who is here? Aha. Adaku.
Ezedike.
Yes.
This one you came to my hut. I hope all is well.
All is well. I have come to see your granddaughter. Is she in?
You've come to see my granddaughter?
Yes, I know her.
What for?
No, there is no problem. I have come to see her because I know her, like I said.
Ohamiri! Ohamiri, please come. Someone is here to see you.
Ne, you called me.
I will leave you too.
This is what is going to happen in the next few days if you do not act fast.
Mother of the river, I cannot kill my own child.
Do you need help? You and your daughter are in my way.
How can you help?
If you don't want her to die, then I will handle her myself.
Okay. Oh, that will be fine.
You have just 3 days to make a choice. The people have been offering prayers for peace to reign. I need to answer.
Thank you so much. I have to be on my way.
Do not! You only make things worse.
How? This deity is causing more harm than good to my family. This deity is tormenting my family. I cannot fold my hands and do nothing.
Nnaemeka, you have not assumed your father's position as the priest of the deity. So you do not have such authority to send them away. Your father is the only one with such authority.
Why is he not doing anything? Why?
Because he's bound by a covenant with them. If you take things into your hands, you will end up like your sister.
What then? What then should I do? What am I going to do?
Return it back!
Is that the solution?
Oloma, what are you going? Where are you going?
I am going to your farm and I am going to destroy everything.
You will not do that. Don't try it.
Will you do anything?
Don't go to my farm. Don't do that. Stop that. Oloma, stop it. Stop it. Look, whatever, like if I destroy everything, your father must surely pay for them. Your father will pay for everything. Let me go and tell your father. Only can share drug him, man. Oloma, stop. No problem. Speak. I have not come here to listen to you. I'm sorry. I know that is what you are going to say. I have come here to collect the money for the damages your daughter did on my farm. That is why I'm here.
Well, one for. No. How come that you read my mind, you come into me to assume that I'm supposed to say sorry? It is not sorry I want to say. What I want to say is, as for the money, try and give me some time. I will pay you. I will give you the money. Allow me some little time to raise the money and pay you. Very simple.
Give you some time.
Yes.
You don't know time is money. You think everybody have time to waste like you? Because you waste your time sitting, drinking? You don't know the value of time. I don't have time to waste. I will only give you from now till tomorrow by this time. If I come here tomorrow and my money is not ready, what I will do to you will not like it. That is one thing I will assure you. I will not worry you again.
Well, you have already given me time. Up to tomorrow. Yes. And as for the palm wine, in case you are interested, meet me at the palm wine joint and I will give you some. Olama.
Useless man. Wasting time. Drinking like fish. You think I have time? When I come back here tomorrow, don't give me my money. See what I'll do to you. You are your useless daughter. Nonsense.
Mother of the river. Namiri. Mother of the river. Mother of the river. What is going on? My daughter. What have I done? What have I done? My daughter has been going about the community, causing havoc, destroying things, stealing people's things. What have I done? Have I not been serving the gods diligently, respectfully, and honestly? Even though I made a mistake sometime in the past, was it all my fault? It wasn't all my fault. To whom much is given, much is expected.
Go! Place her on a mat in front of the shrine. I will be there shortly.
Is that all? Ogun?
2 options.
Mother of the river! Great Mother of the river! What are the 2 options? Speak! For whatever the gods say, we will take.
Your first option is you, your son, and your daughter will join your ancestors.
Hey!
You will be wiped off the face of the earth for peace to be restored in the land.
Mother of the river. That will be too much. That will mean wiping away all my lineage.
Your second option is you will die. Your son, Nna Emeka, will live. Also, your daughter, Olamma, will live. But she will serve the gods as a mad woman.
No. Oh, River Goddess, please. These are not options. They are not options. How will my father die? I die, my sister joined us. And the second one, I will leave and she will serve the gods, ma. How? Help us, I beg the gods.
Those are the options given by the gods to appease and cleanse the land from the dark spirits.
Great Mother of the river. Where is that F number? Where is that F number? Come on, what did I want to hear? Instead of the native doctor's child to die, let all the leaves and roots in the forest vanish. Great Mother of the river, the gods are wise. The gods know everything. The gods see everything. They hear everything. They can do everything. The gods are merciful, loving, and kind. Where see on your frugu yorie? On your frugu yorie. On your frugu yorie. Where see on your frugu yorie? Of course, you on your frugu yorie.
I'm going to die.
I'm sorry, please.
She brings nothing but chaos along the way. Walking it nobody knows what to do about her. Onye obuna naju, onye muru nwale.
God. Now I can see what my father can see. Power is good. Power is good. Wait, I can't hear you. God! 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 This is your power. Big God! Big God! Yeah! God! 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 Drink. God! God! Power! My power! God!
Nobody knows what to do about her. Onye obuna naju, onye muru nwale. Ajo nwasi owere banne ya fo. Onye muru nwale. Watabu nsogbu bi ụwa. Onye muru nwale. Ajo nwasi owere banne ya fo. Onye muru nwale. Watabu nsogbu bi ụwa. Ebe ọ bụ na ọ pụtara ihe ike na-eme, ebe ọ bụ na ọ gara katakata na-adị. She cannot control it, her fate will decide it. There is nothing she